afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. Today is a chilly Saturday, and I've put my painting stuff away long enough to do some brunch. So I have ordered a new rice noodle pack. I haven't had this one before, so I'm going to try that. This is a crab flavor rice noodle. And to that, I'm going to add some Shimeji mushrooms, baby bok choy, pickled cabbage and onions. I have some smoked salmon. This is just a little fun seaweed soup topping. Then I have some soft-boiled the tea chicken eggs that I got from my Wii order, and some pickled mustard stem. So the only thing I need to do for this is, I think this kit is going to be the same as previous ones. So I'll just take the chili oil pack out, because I don't use that, and cook the rice noodles, and then everything else will just go in the soup when it's ready. So this is pretty much like most of the other rice noodle kits. You have a package of rice noodles. This is yuba, dried bean curd, and some peanuts. And then there are 2 pickled vegetables. There are pickled bamboo shoots, pickled beans and radishes. There's a vinegar pack, a chili oil pack. This is the crab flavoring. And then this is the soup base. And then this is that little, just the little seaweed and toppings, and then this is going to be the little tea egg. So that is all of the packaging, the packaged ones, and then I have the vegetables and the salmon.